So in this video we'll quickly see about the today's positions, profit and loss, and what are the open position that we have. So we have one open position, the rest of the trades were closed. We'll see those things. Today date is 6th October. The open position Nifty 15th October 11,900 call and 12,000 call. So the profit is running at 1,383. So before going to see about this trades, if you want to open a Demat account, I've given the link in the description of this video. So you can use this link to open a Demat account and get all the training courses that are available in our website powerpangu.com. So mostly we have 6 courses. If you're a beginner in share market and don't know how to get started, these courses will help you to get started. It also has some option strategies. You can define your profit and loss. You can WhatsApp this number and open an account and get a training course by WhatsApping this number. So now we'll see the trades one by one that we did. So first I've chosen Apollo Hospital. I took this position and shared the position to my WhatsApp group members also. So here I sold 2,300 call and bought 2,400 call. So we'll see the rationale behind Apollo Hospital, why I sold 2,300 and bought 2,400. So go to economic times. So morning I used to go and see this thing. So here is Apollo chart. So today it went up 3.25 and last 1 month if you see, Apollo moved from 1,600 around to 2,130. So nearly 470 points actually it moved in last 1 month. So considering this, I sold the call option instead of buying a put. What I did is I sold the call option of getting a premium. Simultaneously, in order to get the margin benefit, I bought 2,400 call as well. So I did both of these things, and you can see here NSE India time and the top gainers. You have to choose 1 month and remove the small, medium, mid cap and have only large cap. Here Apollo Hospital is being displayed today. Also it still stands at the top gainer more than Adani Green is not in the FNO list. So I chosen Apollo Hospital and took position in Apollo Hospital. So this is the rationale behind taking Apollo. You can also see it moved up 475 points. That is from months low and high. You can also see in there itself 1,585 to 2,168. So this is the first trade. The next is what I did is HCL Tech. I just took a put, sold the put option considering the HCL to move up. So it gave a profit of 910 rupees. So in Apollo Hospital we can see there is a net profit of 1,000. So since I bought the call, I lost 625. That is the strategy actually. We should not blindly take only one-sided position because it might backfire anytime. So HCL you can say 910. Then I took HDFC October short straddle, which gave me a profit of around 430 rupees, 180. So selling both the 1,900 call and put, it will yield result at a certain time. Both the points will stand in profit. You can do a paper trading. Next I took HDFC Bank October. That is also a short straddle. You can see net 385, 137. We can see that around 200 rupees nearly profit actually in that also. So this is a short strategy. Sometimes we will get extreme profit. We have to wait for some time. We can also do a paper trading and then try. So mainly we lost in Infi. So Infosys we took a short straddle, but I didn't buy the counter entry immediately. Because of that we lost nearly 900 rupees in that. So if we would have waited or took the position at the current time, we would have made profit in that also. You can see 3,900 loss, and on the counter side we had around 3,000 rupees profit, so which is around 2,940. So 3,900 rupees loss. Next the TCS 300 CE and PE. So that is what we did actually. So next we will discuss about the open position, why I took this. So I actually sold 11,900 and bought 12,000. You can see the Nifty share price. So currently Nifty has moved nearly 400 points in the last 5 days, 287 to 11660. So we are expecting a correction. So last 3 or 4 days it was continuously on gap up mode. So because of that I sold the 11900 call for 15th October. So before going to 11900 or 12,000, it will do a small correction, and further only it will start moving. Because of that I sold. So that is the rationale. So in order to get the margin benefit, I bought 12,000 call. So these are the two position that is currently open. So you can also see the payoff chart, Opstra defined. So this is where you can enter your strategies and see where the maximum profit will start, where the maximum profit is, where the maximum loss is. So go to choose the option, choose the script. You can apply it for any stock. So I'm 11,900 selling, add the position. So once you add, it will show the payoff chart, where then what I did is I'm going to add one more position and type 12,000 call. I'm going to buy it. So once you click buy, you will have this. Once you add this position, the payoff chart will give a different view. So you can see here, even if the market goes anytime down, I'm still making profit, collecting the premium and making profit. So my actual loss starts is 11,922. So that is the time my loss actually starts. So this is how it is. So we need to use certain strategies before taking a position. We should not blindly take the this thing. So you can actually offset that loss also by taking another call at 12,100, like that. It will give a different view of the chart will change based on that. So I will try to continuously post my trades and